Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about a very simple strategy for practicing and achieving good results. Please subscribe to the channel. It's very important to me and to continue providing quality videos. To apply the strategy, you don't need indicators, although I recommend using some to support it. The tests I have conducted on this strategy are quite comforting and have shown a success rate of over 88%. I have conducted tests on these two exchanges, but also on many others, and they are not very suitable. The most reliable ones are Australian dollar USD and USD Swiss franc. Let's apply it together. I use CTrader from my C markets, and I recommend you use the same broker, or at least a broker with low spreads. This broker provides also MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Anyway, I suggest you some broker and tools in video description. You need to use this technique setting a time frame of 1 hour. The rule is very simple. Open the trade when the price breaks the low or high of the previous week. Obviously, with the necessary precautions. Do not enter the market if there are important news coming up in the economic calendar and carefully assess the volatility at the moment. Place a buy stop order just above the weekly high limit for a long position. And set a stop loss at about 16 pips. This for Australian dollar USD. With other assets, the distance is obviously different. Then place a sell stop order just below the weekly low limit to open a short position. Personally, I use a stop loss of about 15 or 18 pips for a profit of the same amount, but you are free to use the money management that you prefer. However, I have found that often you can achieve up to 30 pips of profit. This strategy is great for practicing, but also for taking the first steps with contained investments. If you consider that investing 1,000 euros can also yield 300 euros of profit, it seems like a good compromise. However, this is not investment advice. Try everything on your demo account and let me know how things go. I will keep you updated on the entry we just set up together. I wish you a good day and goodbye.